Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's integration with Google Meet. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and features available to you. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a store icon up there, which represents the HubSpot app marketplace. Click on this store icon, and from the options that appear, select HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the integrations and apps that can enhance your HubSpot experience and connect it with other tools you use. Now that you're in the HubSpot Marketplace, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Google Meet. This will bring up the Google Meet integration option. Once you see it in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the dedicated page for the Google Meet integration, where you can learn more about what it does and how it connects your HubSpot meetings with Google Meet. On the Google Meet integration page, you'll see an Install button. Click on Install to begin the process of connecting Google Meet to your HubSpot account. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically generate Google Meet links for your scheduled meetings directly from HubSpot, making it seamless for both you and your contacts. After clicking Install, you'll be prompted to choose a Google account. Select the Google account you want to connect with HubSpot and click on it. Make sure you choose the account that you use for your business meetings, as this will be the account that generates all your Google Meet links going forward. Next, you'll see a screen asking you to grant permissions. Click Continue to proceed. This step is necessary because HubSpot needs permission to create and manage Google Meet links on your behalf. It's a standard part of connecting third-party applications, so don't worry about this step. You'll then see another confirmation screen that asks you to verify that you trust HubSpot with your Google account information. Click Continue again to confirm. This final step ensures that you're fully aware of the permissions being granted and that you're comfortable with HubSpot accessing your Google Meet functionality. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Meet with your HubSpot account. From now on, whenever you schedule a meeting in HubSpot, it will automatically generate a Google Meet link for you, making your scheduling process much more efficient and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.